Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Bintang Simare-Mare, guru kelas 6 dan 7 di Sekolah Chandra Kumala, sekaligus sebagai mahasiswi PPG dalam jabatan 2023 Angkatan 2 Bidang Studi Ilmu Pengetahuan Alam di Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. Pada kesempatan ini, saya akan melaksanakan praktek pembelajaran guna memenuhi persyaratan ujian kinerja PPG dalam jabatan 2023. Untuk lebih jelasnya, berikut video praktek pembelajaran yang saya laksanakan pada Senin 4 Desember 2023 di Sekolah Chandra Kumala, yaitu penerapan PBL pada materi netralisasi pada kehidupan sehari-hari. Mohon masukan dan saran untuk pembelajaran yang lebih baik di kemudian hari. Akhir kata, saya ucapkan terima kasih dan selamat menyaksikan. Let's start ya. Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you?
I'm
Everything good?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know what are we going to study today?
No.
Okay, you don't know yet. Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to study about chemistry also. But before that, someone lead our pray. Better we start with pray. Who can lead our pray? Yeah. Okay. Come.
Stand up, please. Before we do our chemistry stuff, let's pray. Pray begins. Pray ends. Let's greet our teacher. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Okay. So now I'm going to check attendance. Yeah. Alexander. Present, Miss. Okay. Alfredo. Elaine. Kaden. Darren. Devin Lee. Emma. Felicia. Gianna. Janice. Jasmine. No come? Go to China. Okay. Joylyn. Joshua. Juida. Kimberly. Conan. Madeline. Nathanael. Joseph. Oh, sick ya. Puri. Steffi. Okay, Tiffany. Yeah, okay, so 2 people not come ya. Okay, so now okay, so as usual we will discuss about what we have learned. Okay, so let's see what we have learned in the last meeting. Element, who still remember what is element? Yeah.
An element is a pure atom.
Okay, pure atom.
Pure substance that only have one type of atom.
Yeah, pure substance only have one type of atom. What is compound? Yeah. Yeah, there are 2 more than one type of atom. They are chemically bonded. Next, what is a mixture? Come on. Yeah.
Like substance that is bonded but also can be separated.
Yeah.
Mixture is like 2 types of elements is like mixed together but I can separate it again.
Yeah, it could be 2 types element or 2 types of compound, but can be separated, not chemically bonded. Okay, this everybody must know. Yeah, what is acid? The pH? Everybody? Below? Okay, so what is alkali? Yeah, what is neutral? 7. Yeah, 7. Okay, good. So, what we have learned today related to what we discussed just now, yeah? Okay, now, okay, there is a question. What do you think we learned today? It's about? Yeah, neutralization. Okay. Have you ever found that the land or soil infertile?
No.
Never.
No.
So you never see the soil that no plant or no grass. Yeah, okay. Next ya. What are the characteristics of the land usually? Dry.
No plant.
No plant.
It's like no plant.
Yeah, no plant.
Dead dirt.
Yeah, like a dirt. Okay. Yeah, dry. Okay, next. Do you know what cases makes the land infertile?
Acid rain.
Acid rain. Good.
Like acid too high.
Acid too high.
Too much acid.
Okay, too much acid. Okay, good. Next, what are the impact of infertile land? Yeah.
Less oxygen.
Less oxygen.
No crops.
No?
No crops.
No crops. Okay, good. Have you ever tried to check the pH of the soil?
No.
No. Okay, what do you think the pH of the soil if it is infertile?
4.
It could be 4.
1.
It could be 3.
6.
It could be 2. Okay, we'll 0. Okay, we'll check it later, yeah? Okay, so when we learn, usually we have to know what are we going to apply this lesson in your daily life, right? Okay? Hello, hello. Hi. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Okay, so after this lesson, guys, you are expected this one to be more care about the environment or the surrounding, like a soil. And then you know the impact of human activities, right? To the living or organism. And then you will make the solution to overcome the environmental issue or the infertile soil.
On the soil.
Yeah?
What is someone for sabun on the soil because it's too acidic.
Oh, if you put like soap,
Yeah.
it will be
Neutral.
alkalis, yeah? Okay. Okay, now, so what are we going to study today? There are 6 objectives, yeah? The first, you are expected to identify causes of infertile line correctly, and then through discussions and then literature study, you will do research later. You will analyze the impact of infertile soil, yeah, correctly. The third one, through practical activities, you will know or to prove how to handle infertile soil, yeah, by making a new neutralization reaction. Okay, and then through discussion, you can present written ideas about the ways that you have found, yeah, to overcome infertile soil. And then the last, you will present and then you can communicate what you have made in the presentation, yeah, about the ways to overcome infertile soil. Do you have any question? No. Okay, so if there is no question, before we go to the next topic, yeah, it's better you guys check your initial ability or competency, yeah. I sent you already pre-test in your phone. Now you can hold your phone, check Google Form. So I sent you Google Form, you can do it. There are 3 questions. If you don't bring phone, okay, if you don't, I will give you paper. Okay, so there are 3 questions. Nah.
Miss, I didn't read.
Okay.
What is salinity?
It's okay, it's still
What is salinity?
salinity.
You didn't test.
Okay, it's only pre-test, so it's okay if you don't know yet, yeah? Okay, yeah? It's okay if you don't know. That's why we study now. Come on, come on. Okay, who got the paper just now? Collect nak? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now it's time to collect your pre-test paper, and then please put your phone aside, don't touch it. We will continue our lesson. Yeah. Okay. Ready? What about Jida group? Yeah. Okay. So we done the pre-test. Now, what is the highlight of activities today? The first, you can see, you will observe the articles or pictures, and then you analyze it. And then the second, you will state the problem statement. You just make the questions about what you have observed. And then you look for the ideas, what is the ways to overcome the infertile land by using literature study. And then carry out the experiments, yeah. So you will do later 2 experiments, testing pH and neutralizing acid. Hello. Don't touch it later. Domo. Okay. Next, you will carry out experiment, record the result of investigation, and then you will present the investigations, and then analyze and evaluate the problem solving process. And then after that, there will be post test. And then in this activity, 3 assessment you have to know. Yeah. The first is about how you collaborate with your friends. Yeah, how tidy you make the experiment. Do you care about the environment? It means you throw trash into trash can, right? And then also there is a post test. I will observe the post test. And then the last about how you do your teamwork. And then from worksheet, I will share the worksheet. And the last is about presentation. Yeah, okay. So let's continue. Okay. Page 1, problem identifications. Okay, so I will share the paper for you first. Okay, leader, please come here. Jida group. Okay, please share. The first must your name, ya. The first must your name. Now everybody let's see the problem identification, okay? Look and see the picture. You can see also in your paper, yeah? Okay, so now, what do you think from the articles? What is the problem from the article, guys? Can you find? Okay, there is infertile soil. What happened? How's the characteristic?
Reddish yellow soil.
Yeah, it's yellow. If the picture not clear, you can see from the font that I have share. Yeah. Okay. Next, let's see. You see the picture already, yeah? Why do you think this could happen? Why?
High level of Thailand.
Okay, high level of acidity. What are the causes of infertile land?
Acid rain.
Okay, zero rain. Next. Is there any influence of human activities in ecosystem? Yes? Okay. Have you ever observed the land around you live? Is it classified as a fertile or infertile? Okay, I don't know. What you guys? Fertile. Okay, next. What problem statement can you make from the image? Problem statement means what is the questions that comes out to your mind about the infertile soil that you observe. What solution can you provide? Any of you? Yeah, okay. Next, yeah. Based on the problem solving, yeah. Let's see the next page. Do you see, guys, this page? Okay. Yeah, okay. So based on the problem we have discussed in problem or orientation, try to state the problem statement. Okay, now it's time for you. 3 or 4. Write down the questions or problem statement that comes out in your mind. Come on, do you do it now? I give you 2 minutes. This must question because it's problem statement. You want to answer the questions after this. 3 at least. Yeah? Yeah. 3 at least, yeah. What questions? Actually, I already give you a clue just now when I say the question.
I know.
Yeah. Darren, are you okay? Sit down, nak, properly, nak. Sit down properly. Yeah. Yeah. Take your pencil. Huh? So I saw some of your friends has been done. Let's try. Okay, who want to be the first to read? Yeah. Okay, Elaine.
Because if the soil is alkali, it's not acidic.
Okay, what happened to the alkali if it is what happened to the salt if it is alkaline or acidic? Next.
Why is infertile soil bad?
Okay, why infertile so bad? Next.
How to prevent this from happening?
Yeah. Okay. Next. Who has different answer? Yeah. Different. Yeah.
Why is the soil reddish yellow?
Okay. Why the soil reddish yellow? Good.
How to solve infertile soil?
Okay. How to solve infertile soil?
So plants grow best in neutral soil.
Okay. Good.
Only have one difference from
Yeah. What is that? The difference?
alkaline acidic.
Oh, alkaline acidic.
What problem does infertile soil cause?
Okay, what problem does infertile cause?
Why does the acidity of the dirt affect it?
Yeah, very good. Okay, so all your problem statement, we will answer that after this. The first is what is the cause of infertile soil, and then what is the impact, and then the last, what is the solution? Yeah, what is the solution to overcome infertile soil? Okay, now have you seen based on your group? Okay, can you see properly? Go to these places, you see, like this one. Kaden, okay, already? Yeah, okay, ready? Okay, now please read the worksheet. Please read from the first page until the last. Any question? Do you understand what to do? Yeah? Do you get it, guys? Okay, please see how's the experiment, what to do next. Okay. Okay, if you don't understand, let me know, yeah? Already? Okay, now please decide leader of your group. Who is your leader? Please stand up. Leader, stand up. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Here. Stand up. Okay, you guys, you have to discuss with your team what are you going to do later, yeah? Okay? Okay, you may sit down. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to discuss with your friends. What are you going to do? You already see the experiment, right? Yeah, okay. So now, before we do the experiment, now let's see the next page is about how or the ways to overcome infertile land by click the button. Do you bring your phone? Yes. Okay, use your phone to do research. After that, okay, after that, you write down the ideas in your worksheet. Okay, is 5 minutes enough?
This article 1, article 2, article 3.
Yeah, that's why you need to discuss with your team. Yeah, 1 who, 2 who, 3 who, 4 who, and then the video who. Yeah. In your phone, this. I already give you the article, so you don't need to research. You just click it, click directly. Yeah. For example, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Directly, please write down the ideas. Come on. Directly write the ideas. Discuss with your team. Discuss with your team. Directly write the ideas. It's PDF.
Not click this, not click the article 1, article 2 thing.
Yeah, that one, article 2. Can. This group can. What about you guys?
During acid rain, you can use a tarp to cover the dirt.
Oh, I know. Use a hose. Use a hose to hose down the soil.
Directly, please write down the ideas. Come on. Directly write the ideas. Discuss with your team. Discuss with your team. Directly write the ideas. The next page.
This is one.
Yeah.
This is two.
Come on, next page.
This is two.
This. Yeah. You write the ideas. Okay. What do you think ideas to solve the problem? So, from this group, they conclude that the first solution using lime. Have you ever heard lime before? Yeah, okay. Okay, now let's continue. Now it's experiment time. Okay, so you will carry out experiment. The first is testing the pH. Hello. Okay, the first experiment is testing the pH of the soil. Okay, do you have soil on the table? Okay. Everything complete? Do you have test tube? Do you have funnel? Okay. The second experiment, what should you do? What should you do? Yeah, you add lime. Okay, when you add lime or spatula inside, and then filter paper. Oh, lime. Come on, guys. If you don't know what is lime, lime is this. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Gianna. Okay, so lime is this, the white color, yeah? Do you know what is the chemical formula of lime?
No.
Domu CaCO3, this, hello? So the lime, chemical formula of lime is this, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Yeah, calcium carbonate, yeah. Okay, please analyze the procedure, do you understand or no?
Yeah.
Who say no? Okay, which one you don't understand now? Okay, let's see. Okay, experiment 1. Observe the sample of soil. Okay, look at the soil. You observe already? Yeah. The second, take a sample and then shake it to filter and then mix. This is the procedure. Okay, can you do it now? Okay, so universal indicator with me. Because we have only one drop, yeah? Yeah. Okay, you can do it now. You can do it. Yeah. Take water, nak. Take water. You know. Take water, nak. Water. Water. Take beaker. Over there.
Slow. You need to be bad.
But if you got
How to shake like this?
this might take a while.
Here, nak.
Airnya nggak. Put it here.
It feels weird.
Okay. You. Wait for one.
That is
If you find the small beaker like this, so we will make hydrochloric acid instead the filtrate, because the filtrate only a bit, right? So we just use hydrochloric acid instead, yeah? So this don't throw, yeah, because we are going to see. So what do you think if the color like this? Is it acid? So what do you think if the color like this? What is the color? Yellow. Yeah, orange, yellow. Is it acid, natural, or alkaline? Acid. Okay. So because it's too tiny, difficult to measure how spatula it is, just use hydrochloric acid. Okay. So now make sure on your table there are 3 small beaker. After
Let me see that.
line is line. Calcium carbonate. Nah, one drop each.
I don't want
Don't too much acid. Small.
One small drop.
Next experiment, spatula.
Miss.
Sikit-sikit ya, nak. Only a small amount, small amount. Yeah, like this, yeah. And then you. Okay, when you mix with lime, what do you expect the color, guys? Yeah, green. Yeah, until. And again, one drop. Yeah.
Lagi.
Walk here, Lona.
I'm gonna disturb you.
Okay, say again.
Shake.
To do this, yeah. Result investigations. It's okay if only try once, yeah. Okay. Please do it now. After that, you will present. If the experiment fail, you explain, yeah. Okay. Just do it. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Just explain. Okay. Come on. I give you 5 minutes to do it. After that, we present. Harap. It's okay. Nah. So you explain later until white. No need to until green. Come on lah, right. No, cannot. Maybe something wrong. Something wrong with the universal indicator.
One more spoon. I think it's food coloring.
No, it's universal indicator.
It become green. It become pale green.
on me. Okay, there's no spirit. 1, 2, 3, hands on me. Okay, so now guys, your friend will present their presentation in front of the class. So please pay attention. If you have any suggestion or question, you can say. Can you get it?
Yes.
Can you get it? I cannot hear the voice. Can you get it? Okay, start. Elaine group coming from. And someone is talking, you have to see and pay attention. Please show respect to each other. Yeah, okay. Can we start? Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Your mic must close. Yeah.
Hello, this is our group. My name is Emma.
My name is Elaine.
My name is Jolene.
My name is Steffi.
Today we are going to present about
You haven't answered.
our result of investigation
About the acidity of soil and how to
about the acidity of soil. Number 1, the characteristic of infertile land: dry, acidic, yellow.
Okay.
pH of infertile soil 5. Number 5. Causes of infertile land: people peeing on soil, acid rain, void of nutrients, and it's acidic.
Impact of infertile land: no crop, no food, hunger, no food for plants. Alternative ways to overcome infertile land with high level acidity: 1. Use alkali. 2. Use garden land. 3. Use something to protect soil while acid rain. 4. Use soil conditioner.
That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Okay, give applause. Wait, they haven't said a question yet. Okay, is there any question or suggestions like that? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Is there any questions or suggestions?
Yeah, okay, Felicia. Give the mic, nak. Yeah.
Did you guys say about someone peeing in the soil?
Yeah, the reason?
Yes, because my brother just peed on grass like a few days ago. So yeah.
Alfie, what is it, acid or alkali?
Acid.
Yeah, okay. Okay, is that all? Next.
Is there more
Is
questions?
there any question? No? Okay, give applause to Group Emma. Okay, thank you, Group Emma. Then now, because we don't have time, we just use two groups only. Yeah, today present only 2. Next time. Okay, Madeline Group, come in front.
Our name is group.
Yeah.
What do you mean? My group is group as well.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. 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 Pay attention, guys.
Hello guys.
Hello. Hi.
Today we are gonna talk about our result of our investigation about the soil.
My name is Felicia. I'm going to be saying the characteristic of infertile land: brown, dry, and hard.
pH of infertile soil 5. Causes of infertile land: acid rain, etc.
The impact of the infertile land is less oxygen and crops can grow.
My name is Madeline, and I'm gonna be reading the alternative ways to overcome infertile land with high level acidity. You can use lime or garden lime, and you also could use soil conditioner. Any questions?
Okay, is there any question, guys? Is there any question?
Tiffany, by the
No, if no, then close.
Thank you for listening.
Yeah, give applause to Group Madeline. Yeah, okay, thank you. Just now, you already present, so what is the characteristic? Reddish yellow. Okay, what is the pH? 5. Okay, what is the causes? Acid rain. What is the impact? Yeah, let's crops. And then the last, the solution? Yeah, use lime. Okay, give applause to all of you. Okay. Yeah. What is neutralization? Neutralization when you mix acid with, when you mix acid with alkali. Everybody, only me here. Can you guys respond? Yes. Okay. You mix acid and alkali, it will change become neutral, or the color is, and then the pH is 7. So neutralization can be found in daily lives. The first in digest, when in the stomach there is acid. If someone has too much acid inside, they will eat what? Alkali pills like antacid, right? It neutralizes the stomach. The second is toothpaste. Why you have to use toothpaste every day? Because your mouth has acid, so neutralize it using toothpaste. And then to avoid your teeth decay. Next. Neutralizing legs. So in some country, the legs are too acidic, so they add what? Alkali. Next, growing crops. What do you did just now? When the soil too acidic, you add lime. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is the characteristic. So this is the characteristic of infertile land, light color layer, and then the causes is because poor nutrition and high level of acidity, and then the effect is biodiversity loss. So pollution, water loss, and then there is less oxygen, and then less habitat. And the last is the first you test the P. After that you add universal nickel, and then add lime. Okay, and then you can add some compost also. Okay. Next, the conclusion. What is the conclusion today?
Infertile soil fertile.
Lime is the solution to make the soil infertile. Okay, what else? What is the causes?
Acid rain.
Okay, let's start. What causes infertile soil, everybody? Okay. Next, what is the characteristic of infertile soil? Reddish brown. What is the impact?
Less oxygen.
Less oxygen, and then no crops, no food. Okay, self-assessment. Look at your worksheet. There is a self-assessment. Okay, in the self-assessment, you will answer which part of experiment is the most interesting for you. Write down one thing that you did really well. How is it? Is it difficult? And then choose one thing that you can do better next time. Okay, you can do it. Okay, then whose group has done? Now we are going to have our posters. Again, your group. Okay, Valerie. Okay, Talisha. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, please, leader. Collect, leader. Leader. This is the end of this meeting. So the next, there will be about land pollution. Have you ever heard land pollution before? So get ready for the next meeting. It's about the same thing. So land pollutions, what is the causes, what is the factors, what is the effect, and then how you do the experiment, find ways to solve the problem. Okay, give applause to everybody today. Okay, before we end our meeting, let's pray. Okay, one of you. Okay, can someone lead our prayer?
The leader.
Who is the leader? Alfredo. Okay, come in.
Before we end our lesson, let's pray. Pray together. Pray and let's say goodbye to our teacher.
Bye.